boost your credit score up to 100 points instantly. Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we're going to talk about a really awesome credit builder account that will approve you without a credit check. It's an instant approval. There is no APR or fees associated with this loan, and you also earn 1% on your loan in rewards. So if you want to see more videos like this about personal credit, business finance, as well as business grants, all things pretty much that have to do with finance and making some money in 2023, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I release new videos. Also, we are running a New Year's sale on our DIY credit repair bundle that is going to teach you how to structure your credit report, how do you get that 700 plus credit score. Also get bonuses. You get a credit repair letter template that is proven to get results. Also, we have a list of no credit check credit builder accounts that can help you boost your credit as well. So you get a list of 10 of those, and then you also get a secret lenders list, which is going to tell you all of the top banks and lenders in the United States and what credit bureaus they actually pull from, and then some of the minimum credit scores that they're actually looking for. You get all of this for $27. It is on sale. We are running the sale again for the new year. So if you haven't been able to take advantage of this deal, go ahead and do that right now. Link is in the description box below. All right, so the program that we're going to talk about today is Kovo Credit. So you can build credit and earn rewards with a $10 per month payment. So how this works is it is a account that's going to show up on your credit as an installment loan. So if you know anything about credit, you know that you need to have different type of credit accounts on your credit profiles to help you build your credit properly. So you need to have installment loans, you need to have credit cards, unsecured loans, etc. to optimize your credit score. And so this program can help build your credit. They do report to Experian and Equifax. They will also let you track your FICO score each and every month. So you'll pay that $10 a month for up to 24 months. You'll be able to access the courses, and then you'll also be able to get 1% back after you make 4 on-time payments. So what are the rewards? They provide you with a gift card up to $500. Also, here's more detail about the courses. So the courses are created by instructors to help hit your goals. So these courses are valued at over $400. You get courses on job interview skills, self-confidence and self-esteem, entrepreneurship, personal branding, stress management, sales training, e-commerce bootcamp, Academy, Google Sheet fundamentals, and also intro to programming. So that's pretty much it when it comes to Kovo Credit. The link will be down in the description box below for you to sign up and get an instant approval. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when we release new videos.